Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie, and today I'll be doing a mini haul and try on for you guys. Today's mini haul will consist of Amina Muaddi shoes and Cult Gaia clothes that I bought for spring break. So let's get right to it. First, let's start off with this box. I'm gonna assume that this is the Burdock Goodman box. That's where I purchased the Amina Muaddi shoes. And there it is, Amina Muaddi. I purchased these specific heels because of the heel itself. If you've seen in my previous videos, I like Amina Muaddi, but I didn't like the quality in her PVC heels, but I still bought them because they're beautiful. But these are different. These are sandals. The Lily slipper in a size 37.5. I was gonna say 38 because lately I've been buying my heels one size up, but since these are open sandals and they have room, I decided to get my true size, which is a 37.5. So it comes with a dust bag, tissue paper says MA or AM, and then these are the sandals. They're so pretty and so basic. But this is the specific reason I bought the heels or these sandals, because I feel like this gives so much support, and her other shoes that I own are so comfortable because of the height and because of this. These are the sandals up close. And as I mentioned, I will be doing a try on after I unbox everything together. I just hope they run true to size, because her PVC slim bags, I have to get a size down, a 37 instead of a 37.5, because the strap, if I get a 37.5, would just keep falling down. So with any slim bag, I suggest you go in a size down. I do not know how these will fit, and we will find out together. What I loved most about these specific sandals, because I was looking for a black satin sandal, is the embellishments. It's like the flowers. They're so pretty. So moving on, we're gonna unbox this box, which is from Cult Gaia. I actually got two separate boxes from them. I honestly don't know why. I guess everything didn't fit in one box. But what I enjoy most about their packaging is that it's a simple round box on the outside, and the inside is pink, and I love pink. And this is what's in the box. So I ordered a two-piece set, then a regular dress, two regular dresses. So this dress that everyone has, everyone except me, but not my own one. And there's a lot of dupes or lookalikes out there that are way more affordable, but I just haven't seen them up close and in person. I have only seen them through social media, so I don't know how the fabric feels as opposed to this one, which I did try on in store months ago before I purchased, and I just love how thick the fabric is. See-through, but it's super thick, and I feel like it'll snatch everything up. So I got this dress. What is this called actually? The Sarita knit dress in black. And as I mentioned, I will be trying it on after I unbox everything. Then I got this two-piece set. This is the skirt to the set. I know I got a lot of black to match the sandals. And this is called the Tansa. And I got everything in a small because I feel like knit expands and it hugs your body. So you don't need to get, my true size will usually be a medium, but I feel like with knit I could get away with a small. But again, I don't know about this brand. At least with the dress, I do know the dress is a small, but with the set, we'll see how it fits. I have to return it and get a medium, or it will fit perfectly. And then we have the top, which I am concerned about. The top is also see-through. Can't really see it here, but it is. Because I have a large bust. So I'm a little concerned that this is how it looks. Might not hold all this in place. This is the top of it. Such a cute set online. Hopefully it looks as cute on me. And then we have this last Cult Gaia box that I will be unboxing. I don't know why this box is so big. And again, the same thing as the other box. Regular brown on the outside, and then the beautiful pink on the inside. And I don't know why they sent me such a big box for just one item. But at least it came beautifully wrapped. This is also a knit dress. It's not black. It's actually white. This is a dress. And again, it's a thick knit fabric. So hopefully I'll snatch everything and put it in place. So now that you guys saw my mini haul, let's try everything on. Okay guys, so these are the heels. They are actually bothering me right here, my pinky toe. And I actually feel like I could have definitely went with a 38. But they are so pretty. Okay guys, so this is how the dress fits. It's a little too revealing here. My under boob show. This is how it looks. I tried the medium at the store and I feel like the medium was just too not fitting. Like it didn't snug everything in as supposed to this, but look at this. My boob is halfway out. Oh, fix it. The small is the perfect size for me. Okay guys, so the second look is similar to the first look. It fits very snug here, but I love how it lifts my boobs and I don't need to wear a bra. And it doesn't show on here, so that's perfect. And this is the whole outfit. I really love this. It's so pretty. I honestly do not know what to do with this, but we'll figure it out. Oh, I love this outfit, and these three outfits that I am trying on, they're all for dinner. They're not daytime outfits. I'm wearing them strictly to dinner. And again, this is a size small. I'm usually a size medium, but as I mentioned, I want everything to fit tight. The top is more on the tight side, but again, it's because I have a big bust. But even though the skirt is so small, I feel like it still has room. And it's not as snug as the shirt is. And I have heels on. So this is the final try on, and as you guys saw, I have not been wearing a bra with any of these outfits, and I am also not wearing a bra with this one. Let's fix this, and this is how it looks. So that was my try on. What do you guys think about all these outfits? I hope you all enjoyed this mini haul and try on. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.